Are you wondering what are the best coins to invest in for May or for the year 2021? In this video, we will look at some of the cryptocurrencies showing the potential to make gains in the coming weeks. The cryptocurrency markets are now in their biggest rally since 2017, increasing interest from investors looking to add some exposure to their portfolio. Bitcoin recently hit a record high of 63,000 US dollar before selling off sharply, potentially offering an opportunity for investors to buy the dip before it launches higher again. Ethereum has continued to rally, hitting the $2,800 mark for the first time on 29 April. There are more than 4,800 cryptocurrencies in circulation listed on CoinMarketCap, with new coins and tokens launching almost daily. We've picked up top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in that you can trade through contracts for difference. Number 1, Ether. Ether is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, with a market capitalization of 316 billion US dollars. Created in 2015, the Ethereum blockchain runs smart contracts that enable decentralized applications which have taken off in 2021. While investors opt to hold Bitcoin as an asset much like gold, Ether is used to enable apps, including increasingly popular decentralized finance services. That drives a higher number of public blockchain transactions on Ethereum than on Bitcoin. The Ethereum blockchain uses a proof of work algorithm to validate transactions and reward validators through the mining of coins, but it is transitioning to a proof of stake algorithm, which is more energy efficient and provides rewards through staking, which pays holders interest. A series of Ethereum 2.0 updates is designed to improve the security and scalability of the network, increasing its adoption. The Ether price has gained $2,000 since the start of the year, climbing from 739 US dollars at the beginning of January. The price has outperformed Bitcoin in recent days, rallying to new highs while the Bitcoin price has retreated. Some market observers expect the Ether price to reach $3,000 in the near term, with long-term price targets at $10,000. Number 2, Binance Coin. The Binance Coin is the third largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $90.9 billion. Launched in 2017, the coin is the native cryptocurrency of not only the Binance exchange, one of the largest in the world, but also the broader ecosystem Binance is developing, including the Binance Smart Chain. Binance aims to become the primary infrastructure services provider for the blockchain ecosystem. The cryptocurrency rally has prompted a surge in trading that is driving strong growth in transactions on the Binance exchange. The BNB price has climbed from $38.80 at start of 2021 to trade around $600 this month, attracting the interest of investors rather than just exchange users. Market observers expect Binance Coin to climb further to reach $1,000. Technical analysis for the short term is also bullish, with 24 indicators offering buy signals and none giving sell signals. Number 3, Cardano. Cardano is a third generation public blockchain and DApp development platform. Third generation cryptocurrencies take the lessons learned from Bitcoin and Ethereum concepts and improve upon their shortcomings. Third generation cryptos such as Cardano utilizes new developments such as layered architecture to improve scalability, security and sustainability. In this way, they create more usefulness, address flaws and rectify inefficiencies. As mentioned, Cardano is a third generation cryptocurrency available in the market nowadays. Because of this, it's bound to be fully developed as a digital currency that can be used by a variety of users. Given its early stages of development, its founders continuously conduct a series of studies and research to come up with more features for the crypto platform. As such, the price value of Cardano will increase, making it an excellent choice for investments. With never-ending ways to improve Cardano as a cryptocurrency, anyone who is looking to purchase it today can expect long-term investment returns in the time to come. Number 4. Polkadot. As of March 2021, Polkadot has a market capitalization of 30.3 billion US dollars and one dot trades for 32.83 US dollars. Via the Polkadot relay chain, Polkadot enables an internet where independent blockchain can share information and transactions in a trustless manner. Polkadot aims to make creating and connecting decentralized apps, utilities, and organizations easier. Number 5. Ripple. Ripple is a cryptocurrency and a digital payment network for financial transactions that was first released in 2012. Ripple Labs created XRP as a payment token to be used on its decentralized payment system. XRP is used with a network of validation nodes rather than a blockchain, as the company started with a blockchain based system. As of April 2, Ripple XRP has a market capitalization of 26.8 billion US dollars and one XRP trades for 0.5926 US dollar. The next is Stellar. Stellar's Lumens, also known as XLM, was established to serve a niche need within the world of cryptocurrency. It's essentially the PayPal of cryptocurrency networks, serving as a bridge between banks and blockchain networks. As a decentralized network, Stellar can convert any currency and trade it across channels. It makes these transactions cheaper and faster than they would be with a traditional bank. Don't settle on any number of cryptocurrency investments without continuing to learn about the market. A new cryptocurrency network could easily climb the ranks and emerge as a leader above other platforms. As an investor, the smartest thing you can do is to stay abreast of market happenings. The final take is there's no question about it, cryptocurrencies are here to stay. The question becomes where is the best place to invest your money in the market? As you decide which cryptocurrency is the best investment for you, here are some other things to keep in mind. The speed at which transactions are completed, the fees associated with transacting, the ability to use your cryptocurrency for regular purchases and bank transfers. If you are strictly looking to invest without transacting within the network, remember that cryptocurrency isn't a get rich quick scheme. Instead, you should consider it a long term investment. Thank you for watching. Comment down below the best cryptocurrency you think we should invest in 2021. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video and hit that subscribe button to keep yourself updated on the latest crypto news.